Up first this evening, an urgent appeal for the government to compensate the residents whose homes were demolished in Clifton, St. Catherine. It comes as the parliamentary opposition warns the government to act now and prevent the people from taking legal action. We have more in this report. A team from the People's National Party and other stakeholders touring the ruins of the Clifton demolition in St. Catherine Sunday morning. Their visit came 3 days after the government ordered the demolition of the properties due to what was described as residents illegally building on government land. But Spanish Town's Mayor Norman Scott told residents that the government took the wrong approach.
But government, the Prime Minister, to have ordered the demolition without due process, without due consultation, it is very unfortunate.
President of the PNP's Women's Movement, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, indicated that the demolition is a deterrent to home ownership in the island.
This is not just about Clifton and the environs. It is about a clear policy that says that we are going to demolish who we don't want to be there. We are not intending to have dialogue. We are not intending to create a Jamaica where everybody can own a piece of Jamaica.
Which is why there is an appeal for the residents who lost their homes to be compensated before the matter reaches the courts.
He can choose to save you the money. So if you're really sorry, come to the table in a serious way. Don't come over here and just go hug up people. Don't come over here and come hug up people. Tell us where the first meeting is. Yes. Don't tell Fitz as MP that he must not announce the meeting. Come at the meeting when the meeting announced. Humble yourself, because you never humble yourself when you go to Parliament first and call everybody criminal.
However, I would still say legal representation is needed from the offset, because government will try to just give you what them feel like.
However, Prime Minister Holness has since declared that a development is coming for the area and the residents would not be left out. On Friday, Mr. Holness also indicated that he was told that the Sugar Company of Jamaica, SCJ, which owns the land, has issued 2 stop orders for residents to stop building on the property. The demolition was also put on hold until a meeting is convened with the government and the SCJ to discuss the way forward. But again, the government is being criticized for being reactive.
If you don't know the law, seek the people around you who advise you to tell you about the law. It's not a requirement that everybody is a lawyer, but seek proper counsel before you go and do things and before you step on the highest platform in the land and make utterances that you can't take back properly.